it's there. In Indonesia, when I went to the supermarket for the first time and I wanted to check the price of something, I wanted to go to the price verifier. It was funny because I asked where is the price verifier and the lady told me it's there. So I went to the place where the lady told me the price verifier was and I couldn't find it. And I was like, lady, Ibu, it's not here. She said like, yes, it's there. But I was like, no, where? There's only one computer here. And she was like, yes, lady, that's the price verifier. And I was like, what?
Saat berbelanja di Indonesia, sebagian turis asing atau bule dibuat bingung oleh teknologi yang digunakan di kasir supermarket. Salah satunya adalah penggunaan verifier komputer, sebuah sistem berbasis komputer yang memindai barcode, menghitung total belanja otomatis, hingga mencetak struk dalam hitungan detik. Bagi sebagian bule yang terbiasa dengan sistem swalayan penuh atau kasir mandiri seperti di Eropa, kehadiran petugas kasir yang dibantu mesin komputer semacam ini bisa menjadi pengalaman baru yang mengejutkan. Beberapa bule mengira bahwa prosesnya masih manual, namun saat melihat petugas cukup memindai barang dan langsung muncul total harga di layar, mereka pun kagum sekaligus heran. Mereka tidak menyangka bahwa di negara berkembang seperti Indonesia, teknologi retail sudah cukup maju dan efisien.
I'm so sorry, I didn't know. Anyway, the thing is that I felt so silly and I look way more silly than I sound. Because I didn't know that the price verifiers in Indonesia, at least in Batam, in most of the supermarkets, are a computer. So here I am in front of a price verifier, and I remember that, and it was funny. So just FYI, this is the way price verifiers usually look. Just a little screen. It's never a computer, especially not with keyboard. And then it's just like that.
Bahkan, sistem ini sering terhubung langsung ke stok gudang, mencatat transaksi real time, dan mendukung berbagai metode pembayaran, dari tunai hingga dompet digital. Kebingungan bule juga muncul ketika mereka melihat layar komputer menampilkan rincian belanja, diskon otomatis, hingga total kembalian secara cepat. Beberapa dari mereka bertanya-tanya bagaimana sistem ini bekerja, dan siapa yang mengembangkan teknologi tersebut. Pengalaman ini pun menjadi salah satu cerita menarik mereka tentang bagaimana Indonesia diam-diam sangat modern dalam aspek layanan publik, termasuk urusan belanja harian. Melalui kejadian sederhana di kasir supermarket, para bule belajar bahwa Indonesia bukan hanya tentang budaya tradisional dan pemandangan alam, tapi juga negara yang terus berkembang secara digital dan teknologi.
I think you do have this kind of price verifiers, because I think I have seen them somewhere, maybe in Mr. DIY. Not sure where. So if the lady of the supermarket ever sees this TikTok, I'm sorry, I didn't know how price verifiers are in Indonesia. Well, at least it was Top Seratus, and also it happened to me, I think in SNL. So maaf. And